Hello and welcome to the series of videos where we will be showing you the various features in our latest curtain wall tool for OpenBuildings Designer Connect Edition. So, let us begin. Now we will see the alignment options for curtain wall placement. The alignment options for curtain wall can be seen in the Placement tab of the ribbon bar while placing a curtain wall. Let us dive straight into placing a left justified curtain wall. After selecting the curtain wall tool, we select the left justify option from the Placement tab and then we change our snap to multi-point so that we can snap anywhere in the grid. Then we can go ahead and place the curtain wall with the help of two data points. Here we can see that the curtain wall is justified towards the left of the grid line. Again, we go to the Place tab on the ribbon bar and change the placement option to Center Justify. Also selecting our snap to multi-point, now we place the curtain wall to see that it is placed and aligned exactly at the center of the grid line. Moving on, we select the final option from the Placement tab, that is Right Justify. We select the snap to multi-point and place the curtain wall to observe that the wall is justified to the right of the grid line. Now we will see the side offset and direction options for curtain wall placement. In the Placement tab of the ribbon bar, you will see the side offset option that, as its name suggests, will offset the curtain wall based on its direction of placement. The unit of distance of offset is same as the working units of your file. Firstly, let us provide a side offset of 500 and the direction of the offset is set to left. We select two data points, one at the bottom and one at the top, to place the curtain wall, and as we can see here, the curtain wall is offset at a distance of 500 from the grid line. Now let us change to a right offset position. We follow the same workflow of two data points to place the curtain wall, and as a result, the curtain wall is placed at a right offset from the grid line. Taking a negative offset distance would change the direction. To verify, we can take a distance of negative 500 with the direction set to right and try placing a curtain wall. Here we see that the curtain wall is placed at a negative 500, which is towards the left of the grid line. Finally, let us take a side offset distance of 500, take the direction as left, but this time let us change the placement direction from top to bottom. So we see here the curtain wall is aligned to the left of the direction of placement, and the same thing happens if we place the curtain wall from left to right. Make sure you also watch the other videos in this series to know more about curtain walls in OpenBuildings Designer.